Interesting facts about Bugatti. The Bugatti Veyron is one of the fastest, most powerful, most luxurious motor cars. Bugatti was founded by Ettore Bugatti in 1909 in a place called Milsheim, France. The brand has developed a reputation for building the most exclusive and fast cars ever. One Bugatti vehicle lost its air engine in 1939 in an explosion when it was being tested in one of the locations. The entire area nearly blew up because of it. In the 1930s, the Bugatti company got involved in the creation of planes. The Bugatti Veyron is one of the fastest, most powerful, luxurious cars. When the first Veyron engine was tested in 2001, the engine produced heat that it nearly burned the factory. In the early days, the front grille of the Bugatti Veyron was made out of aluminum. A 1-carat diamond was included into the speedometer and power needles. However, this option was not that popular. The standard car has one radiator, but the Bugatti V needs 10. Since it takes 15 hours to build just one radiator, that means it takes 150 hours to build the entire system for only one vehicle. When the Veyron runs on full speed, it takes 12 minutes to empty the tank. So don't expect good mileage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more facts.